Welcome, my friends. This is my official first home tour. This is finally a furnished look of my home, and here we are on the front porch. I've shared how I've decorated this front porch many times, and this is how it looks for spring right now, and I love the pops of colors. I have had requests to do home tours, and I just haven't ever been able to do it, but while the house is clean and there's bright colors out, which I'm really starting to embrace the color, I am finally going to show you guys. We built this house in 2020 and it carried on to 2021 and we finally moved in. So here is the foyer, the entryway. I love the stairs, especially around Christmas time. It just makes my heart so happy. And then I have this little entryway table. So I hope you guys are excited to watch, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And I hope you enjoy this official home tour for spring, furnished. It's ready to go. I will also have the other home tours in my description box. Down there is the laundry room. And then right here we're gonna put a hall tree where the kids can put their shoes and their backpacks. We just haven't done that yet. And then I know people say the word signs are out, but listen, if you love it, you do it. I got these from Target. Here is the half bath, nothing fancy. Nothing special. I did get, look, I have a laundry one too. I'll just give you a little peek, but it's a mess here. And so this is the 2-car garage right here. And this is how you walk into it. And then you go into Emma's room. This is eventually going to be my office, or mine and Chris's office, I should say. All her little love every toys, lovery, I don't know how you say it. I love them, they're my favorite. And then Isabella found this beautiful Irish looking porcelain doll. And then Chris's aunt gave us this antique lamp, which is so pretty. Now going over here, she has her own bathroom, but it has never been used. It's just, yeah, it's never been used. A lot of the new builds have a ton of bathrooms. This particular house has 4.5. Shh. Okay, here's the living room. Emma's playing with a little thing of eggs. Well, let's put those back down. Emma, can you please put the eggs back in the bowl, please? Here's the outside. We plan on putting a pool. That's kind of up in the air. We don't know. It's just really expensive, over $100,000 to put in a pool these days, and it takes over a year. So I'm not interested in paying inflated prices or extended time, so we're just that's on the fence. So we've got Emma's little splash pad we got from Ollie's, and then she's got her little setup here. I would like to get her a playground because we do have a really big backyard, which in Florida, if you're not familiar with this area, houses are pretty much right on top of each other, and you don't get front yards or backyards really. So we picked this particular lot because the houses were so spread out, and so we have all this space over here. Like, and then all this space over here, which is really nice and very uncommon here. Houses here are about, I want to say 10 feet, 20 feet, 15 feet apart, which is crazy because I see other people's homes and it just blows my mind how much land they have. Here, this particular lot is just a little bit over 1/4 of an acre, and that is large for Florida. Usually the lots here are about 6,000 square feet, so really small. 1/4 of an acre is over 10,000, I don't know. I just know that Florida homes are ridiculously close, which is such a disservice, in my opinion. Definitely was a culture shock when we moved here, but here's our backyard. We absolutely love the backyard area. We love hanging out here like a family and just having time together. My hydrangea's coming back and my little spot. Move into my master. I have these here. I actually saw this in the model home and I loved them. It's like an Anthropologie. And then coming in here. So here's the master. And I've got my little mirror right there. And I just wanted this to be like a serene little retreat. And I like it. I like less is more. It helps me relax. I've got my 2 little chairs here. Coming into my bathroom. And I always like to do another little angle in here. He's cooking. and we're gonna go up the stairs. Hello, Miss Airy. Hi, sweet girl. So we'll start in Drew's room. I won't go too crazy in Drew's room just because it's his personal space. Although he did give me clearance, I can. But this is Drew's room. Got a little setup over here. Y'all, this was the first TV I ever purchased in my adult life in 2007, and it's still working. Now he has his own little bathroom and a huge closet. He is very tidy, which all the kids are pretty good. As if any, like with anything, we have our moments, but Drew and Liam are pretty good. This is Liam's room. It's a work in progress still. Got his little gaming setup, and he's got the LED lights all in here. But this is Liam's room. He is 13, Drew is 17. Drew will be 18, oh my gosh, in May. Here is the 3 boys' shared bathroom. You guys have seen me clean this sucker a lot. I do have them clean their own bathroom, but a deep clean is for Mom to do. Just because I like things the way I like it. And I'm usually dealing with like harder cleaners, so I don't want them to mess with it. Heading over to this way. This is Noah. The rug's a little messed up. This is Noah and Josiah's room. This room and Liam's room are the same size, which is nice. Here in Florida, bedrooms are not very large. They put the square footage in the common areas. That's just one thing that I've noticed that's varied from houses like what I would consider like Tennessee and Georgia and places like that. They kind of just think like you'll be in the common area more than bedrooms, which is really the goal. So the square footage is definitely in there. All right. Okay, going this way. This is one of the main reasons we purchased this house. It was a media room that isn't open to everything, which is what we wanted. It has a door, which I can close it, which is really nice. And this is the movie/media room. It is a work in progress. I have not fully done everything I needed to do. His bearded dragon just passed away, so I got to clean that up. Here are their toys. You guys have seen me deep clean and declutter in here a million times. This is our couch from the old house. Again, this is our kids' hangout, so I feel like it definitely looks like a boy den, but I have big hopes for this room. We wanted to put a projector in here. When we had the house built, Chris actually had a little outlet put up there, but we just don't know at this point. We actually have been doing a digital detox, so yeah, the computer screens are getting a little dust on them, and we really like it. We've been having more family time, and it's been really nice. Coming back this way. This is the whole upstairs. And this is the view. I hope you guys enjoyed today's spring home tour. I haven't done one of these in probably 3 or 4 years, and I figured while my house is clean and we've got it brightened up for spring, I might as well a random ball. I might as well do a quick home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you go back to the home tour that I did before we even built this house and the model, I talk about the details and the finances and everything like that, just because I'm the type of person that likes to know, like, how, what did you do, is it attainable, blah blah blah. And I want to tell you it is. I feel like so often people make it seem like owning a home is not attainable or whatnot. It totally was. And I just give all the details on how we went about investing and purchasing this home. And I will put that in my description box. I will put that video, and then I'll put the video in where we had this house built and it's unfurnished, undecorated, and then obviously this one. So we love this home so much. This is by far my dream home. It's been such a blessing to us, and I'm so thankful for it. So, okay, we're going back downstairs. Gotta get Emma more mac and cheese, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Would you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.